What?
Excuse me. This is the school of. This is, excuse me. Let me put on my. What's wrong with you? Let me put on my jacket. It's getting a little nippy inside of here in Atlanta. Now this is called Montessori cupcake.
Montessori cupcake.
And this is called.
That's so. No one laughed at that but me. That was funny. That was funny, April. I liked it. Yeah. Montessori is an educational method where you allow the kids to learn on their own and be self-guided.
Thank you. Oh, we're gonna kick the non-Montessori child out. It is. You know what my name is? Excuse me. Hold on. Excuse me. No, what are you doing? No. What type of mother?
I give him alcohol all the time.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, man, he probably wants some water.